Hey guys, it's Emma Stillskin here. I am at the house I'm supposed to be pet sitting at today. So the owners left about an hour ago, and I just kind of want to introduce the dogs. So let's start with, where did Boo Boo go? Boo Boo! Come here, Boo Boo! Hi, Boo Boo! Okay, I'm using my webcam, so say hi, Boo Boo! Boo Boo! So this is Boo Boo. He's the baby. He's the attention thief. Let's get you on the camera. Hi. Yeah, you're the attention thief. And he likes to stick your fingers or your whole hand or your arm in his mouth. Don't you? Yeah. And then there's Meatball. Meatball, come here. Come here, Meatball. That's Meatball. Ow! Boo Boo, get off me. Say hi, Meatball. And then there's Petey. Petey! Petey! There's Petey. Petey! Petey! Where's Petey? Put this back on here. There. Okay. Oh, too bright. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna go look for Petey. Right back. Petey! Where's Petey? Where's Petey? Petey? There you are. Come here, Petey. Come on, Petey. What? Come on, Petey. Oh, stretch. Come on, Petey. You ready to go outside? Come on, Petey. What? Come on, Petey. Come on. Come on, Petey. Come on, Petey. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Now, this one right here. No, that's Boo Boo. The one that's walking away. Petey. Come back, Petey. Come back, Petey. That one's Petey. He's the shy one. He's the loner, aren't you? Yeah. That's the quiet one. Do you like the webcam, Meatball? Are you gonna say hello? Okay, back on the laptop it goes. Alright, so that's the dogs that I'm watching. They're all very friendly. Boo Boo's the only one who's a pit bull mix. The other two are pit bulls. And, so, yep, I just wanted to introduce them. And I think I'm going to make another video probably later on today, if not tomorrow. And I'm hoping to do some cover songs, and I'm still working on art requests, which will be posted next week on Monday, hopefully. Because the owners won't be back until like very late on Sunday night. What, Boo Boo? You look so confused. So anyway, so yep, so that's my update. That's what I'm doing, because I know I haven't been posting on YouTube hardly at all. It's like one video per month or every few weeks. I would like to post more, but I've been kind of busy working on other things. So I just had a birthday, so I'm now 22. So I can't believe it. I still feel like I'm 17, to be honest. And everybody guesses me at 14, but yeah. So, but I will catch up with you guys later, and I hope you have a great day. See you later.